Hold it, and then let go of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice yellow helicopters. Okay, the zoom.
Okay, don't comment on the flying because it's not trimmed yet properly.
The chicken dance that I like. I'll just step back a little bit so I can get more of an angle. I'm not sure what I should do. I'm kind of tired of seeing the back. I wanted to kind of see the side a little bit. There we go.
Yeah, I gotta trim it a little better.
Just a second, Shane. I want to see the side of that helicopter at least once. There we go.
Sorry, Mike.
Okay, and now we're gonna go do some nose in. Now we're gonna do the other side. Okay, here's the front. Your canopy's just not quite hanging. Your blades are out of balance, bud. Your thumb's out of balance. There we go. Look at that baby. Yeah, you gotta.
Yeah, she's a lot more twitchy than yours is.
Look at the rear vertical stabilizer.
Yeah.
It's almost like your main, and that's hard on the gyro. Like it's hard for everything to stay in balance. As you can tell, I don't make a living making movies, do you?